Hey guys, this is Steven Smith here with MarineMax in Houston, coming to you today with one of our brand new 2019 Harris Tri-Toons. This is a 220 Solstice that we've ordered without the Delta Tower, so if you have some clearance issues, you can easily get under there, but we do have the double bimini, so you have all the shade and benefits of that. At the back of the boat, you'll see we put the ski tow bar here, so you can use that for tubing, skiing, wakeboarding, whatever you prefer. There's a swim seat at the back that folds down into the water for easy reboarding. And on this popular floor plan, the single lounger, you've got a really oversized compartment here for storage of wakeboards, skis, tubes. There are a pair of backwards facing speakers here, so you've got some extra sound and stuff when you're in the water hanging out. The standard 4-step telescoping ladder, the widest one in the industry. And then as this moves back forward, you'll see you have a social area here to hang out and talk to the captain when you guys are underway. One of the great things about the Solstice is the flip down armrest here. Every armrest has got a cup holder built into it and flips down. Storage under all the seat bases. As we move over to the Helm, you'll see a redesign on the dash for this year on the 220 Solstice. It's got a touchscreen SIMRAD display over here that has GPS, chart plotter, fish finder, it's all there. On the bottom left, you'll see you've got a JL audio head unit, which has got Bluetooth, auxiliary, things like that. It is an upgraded audio system in this boat with a subwoofer and extra speakers. There's a small glove box. Digital throttle and shift on the 225 horsepower Mercury motor we've equipped this boat with. And new for 2019, Harris has color changing LEDs in all of their Tri-Toons. Really turn up the party when you're on the boat at night. If you look forward, you'll see there's storage under all the seat bases up front. It really makes it just a great atmosphere up here with the loungers. Under all the seat bases, there's extra storage for your safety equipment and gear. And there's an oversized ski locker here in the middle that you can put a tube, wakeboard, skis, even fishing poles if you chose to. We really appreciate you looking at this 2019 Harris here at MarineMax of Houston. Come see us today.